Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely stunning Yamaha R1. Here we have a Yamaha YZF-R1. This is a year 2000 motorcycle registered on a W plate with just 14,823 miles. It's in excellent condition for year and mileage, and although I said it's a 2000, this is actually a 1999 model. The difference being that the 2000 model came with a titanium silencer and the rear lights were flush fitted to the rear panel. I've definitely been doing this for too long. The rear panel itself in good condition, save for a small mark on the very tip there. Other than that, the bike is in excellent condition. That original carbon can. So many of these bikes obviously had their exhaust replaced with microns or various other types of exhaust system, but this one has got the original, which is what you want, of course, on a modern classic. The rear tyre, loads of life left in that one. In fact, it looks like it's a very recent tyre, if not new. The hugger there in the same colour as the red on the bike, of course, the red and white. The classic iconic Yamaha colour scheme. It's not the 98 model, which was obviously had the red seat and predominantly white with the red, but this is the next version along, built in 1999. So your bar ends and your levers all in good condition, as is the mirror. There's a couple of very small age-related marks, but I mean they are absolutely, tiny. All the fairing though in excellent condition, as you can see as we come down here. The belly pan, no stone chips, no cracks, no damage. The engine, there's no corrosion, no paint blistering. It's in fantastic condition. The twin spark aluminium frame, also in excellent condition, and the swing arm likewise. The rear wheel, good condition, no dings, dents, scuff scrapes or scratches, and the rear shock just in there, again, no corrosion to be seen at all. The front end of the bike, fairing all good, indicators, everything on this bike absolutely standard, which is lovely to see. I have to say, this is very much my era. The front wheel, again, no dings, dents, scuff scrapes or scratches, and the front mudguard, again, excellent condition. And the front tyre, absolutely brand spanking new. The front mudguard there, no stone chips, no cracks, no damage, and likewise on the front of the bike, all in excellent condition there, as you can see. That iconic front end. The screen's all good as well. The left-hand side of the bike, well, same story as the right, really. Excellent condition. It would make an excellent addition to someone's collection, if that's your thing. Mirror, all good. Bar end, likewise. Generally speaking, very good condition. No sign of any drop damage. All your fairing there. Looking really good. As I said, really good condition for a bike that is now, let's be honest, 26 years old. All the fairing there, all good. Engine likewise, again, no sign of any drop damage. Body panels there in really good order. Petrol tank, superb, as is the frame. All the swinging arm, excellent condition. Chain sprockets look fairly recent to me, and again in excellent condition with bags of life left in them. Shock absorber this side, again, no sign of any corrosion. And your rear panels on this left-hand side looking really nice. The top of the bike, again, all good, no rips or tears in either of the seats. Petrol tank in good condition. There's lovely analogue and digital clocks. And look at that, a choke lever. Everybody remember those? Fantastic. The bike is, of course, carburetted rather than fuel injection. So if you are looking for a superb modern classic to add to your collection, look no further than this stunning Yamaha YZF-R1. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful R1, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.